So we're out on site. We need to make some adjustments to our pavers before we hit it with the roller compactor. We noticed a couple pavers low in some spots. Wanted to show you some options for the setting bed. We are on an open graded base underneath. You can pull these out with a paver extractor. God gave you 10 digits for a reason. Originally, we had number 8s in here, where we have a little bit bigger stone size, a little bit harder to get compacted, get consolidation out of the stones. The other option, if your supplier has them, is 9s. It's great for setting bed, especially in an open graded system. So what we're gonna do is just make a little adjustments to a couple pavers here before we compact them. It can be as simple as just a little sprinkle in the corners, wherever the edge is. You can sometimes even see where you need to add it, where there's a divot. Maybe you missed it with the screed rails. Get it put back in place, light tap. The only time you should use a rubber mallet or a dead blow on pavers. Get it consolidated. The rest of it will be packed out with the compactor.